Hi friends, I am Ashok Kumar and I am one of the most fortunate guys to have many great friends. Now I am going to give glimpses of one such friend, Dr. Prasad, who is presently working as professor in NITI, Mumbai. You might think, what is so great about being a professor at NITI? Yes, it is very great to be a professor of a nationally reputed MBA college from a very humble background. Now let me share his background. He is from a remote village in Nalgonda district of Telangana state. His father was a tailor and mother was a housewife. He did his schooling in his village. He did not want to become a burden to his parents for his food and education. So he moved to Suryapet for pursuing his interest in education. While doing his graduation, he used to work in a tailoring shop to eke out his living and support his college fee. The owner of the tailor shop was very happy with the craftsmanship of Dr. Prasad in tailoring. He completed his graduation with flying colors. His urge to grow and develop had brought him to Hyderabad. He joined Usmania University for pursuing M.Com in the year 1982, where we had become classmates. As the saying goes, birds of a feather flock together. We quickly became friends because of our similar academic background. We used to call him fondly as Ben Kingsley, who acted as Mahatma Gandhi in the movie Gandhi, as he always used to be in tonsured head just to save money on coconut oil. He had been very studious, unlike all of us. He then went on to complete MPhil and PhD. Much needed transformation had taken place in him in terms of style and speaking skills while he was working in Administrative Staff College of India as an associate. He started his career in teaching as assistant professor in Usmania University. Since beginning, he started using innovative techniques in teaching. He continued his radical approach in NITI too and introduced Mandi program, through which every student who joins NITI has to sell products on the streets of Mumbai. The sale proceeds are being used in an NGO named Navnirmiti, which is into educating underprivileged children. The interest with which he has been running the program for the last 20 years successfully, Dr. Prasad is titled as Dr. Mandi. Dr. Mandi has been propagating for a new education system which should be affordable to all. He emphasizes that a student should be able to earn income at least equivalent to the amount of fee he pays to the college by doing the activities he is theoretically learning in the college. His slogan like Socho, Becho, Siko is a buzzword among the students of NITI. It may not be possible for me here to tell all about Dr. Prasad, aka Dr. Mandi, but I wish to conclude with an incident which happened with me. I was just married in the year 1989 when he came to see me. During the conversation, he inquired how I was taking my wife out for movies and other occasions. I told that I was using bus or auto rickshaw. He immediately gave me 10,000 rupees to buy Bajaj Chetak scooter. At that time, he was not owning any two-wheeler. With these incidents, one can understand his concern for people. I conclude by expressing my gratitude to Almighty for bestowing me with great friends like Dr. Prasad. Thanks for listening patiently.